Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate solution for secure data storage, the Kingston IronKey Vault Privacy 81.92 TB external SSD. If you're serious about data protection, this device has got you covered. Let's take a closer look. First off, let's talk about what makes the IronKey Vault Privacy 80 stand out. This SSD is FIPS 197 certified, meaning it meets the federal standards for data encryption. It's equipped with XTS-AES 256-bit encryption, which provides robust security for your sensitive information. Any of the coolest features of this SSD is its touchscreen PIN interface. No more tiny buttons or complex software, just a simple and intuitive touch screen to unlock your data. Setting up the PIN is straightforward. You can create a strong, unique PIN to ensure that only you have access to your files. Not only is this SSD secure, but it's also built to last. The IronKey Vault Privacy 80 has a durable design that can withstand the rigors of everyday use, making it perfect for both office and on-the-go environments. Connecting the SSD is a breeze. Just plug it into your device, enter your PIN, and you're good to go. It's compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, ensuring seamless integration with your existing setup. Security doesn't stop at encryption. The IronKey Vault Privacy 80 also features brute force attack protection. After 10 invalid login attempts, the drive locks itself, protecting your data from unauthorized access. The package includes everything you need: the SSD, a USB-C to USB-A cable, and a USB-C to USB-C cable, so you can connect it to a wide range of devices right out of the box. So, to recap, the Kingston IronKey Vault Privacy 81.92 TB external SSD offers top-notch security with FIPS 197 certification and XTS-AES 256-bit encryption, a user-friendly touch-screen PIN interface, robust physical design, and protection against brute force attacks. If you're looking for a reliable and secure way to store your data, this SSD is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and tips. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay secure.